15, 14, 13, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spinach,
right there.
spinach,
How you coming?
spinach, chicken and rice side.
Am I gonna be shaking those herbs?
Spinach, chicken and rice side. Spinach,
Where you at the mountain?
spinach, chicken and rice side.
You gonna put it right over there.
Spinach, chicken and rice side. Put it in the pot, put it in the wok. Said you hungry, that's your own fault. On high heat, you add salt. You shake it, bake it. After the sun thawed, chicken and bouillon. Knock your sauce on, teaspoon of the wheat. In the crown pot, it's country fried. Rice on the side. You ever tried? It was a surprise. No need to buy a shepherd's pie. My chicken's all better line. Cook my first meal about 9. On the dash, what you doing? Put it in spinach, 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 chicken and rice side. Spinach, chicken and rice side. Spinach, spinach, chicken and rice side. Spinach, chicken and rice side. 24 minutes, and we can't then. Talk to all my loving fans, I'm almost done with this. Hit it up the plate and get it. I put hours in it, cause I take my time. Cooking in my kitchen, cause you gotta have some sense. Using ingredients, so it's smelling good. Now honey, why don't you take a sip? All my meals are hot when I serve my dish, and I will be so keep your whole radish. This is happening. Fast food ain't nothing. This chicken got that I is something. Buffalo chicken, yeah, it's been a licking. And my plate is dripping with the flavor. You'll be listening till you put it in the spinach, 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 chicken and rice side. Spinach, chicken and rice side. Spinach, spinach, chicken and rice side. Spinach, chicken and rice side. Yeah, this is spinach, chicken and rice side dish brought to you by the CD crew. Yeah.